Hey, sixth graders, Mr. Newman. Today you're going to be working more of a asynchronous like you were working on last year when you were at home, but in school. So it's going to be kind of a work day for you. So take your time as you work through the lesson. We're going to be focusing on wrapping up our federalism with the Venn diagram that we started yesterday, along with getting into the Bill of Rights and what those are. So you're going to use this slideshow that I'm going to go through right now. I'll go through each slide with you quickly so you can get working. But please watch this video from start to finish so you know what to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to tap on this link. It says tap here to see slideshow. This is in Canvas under today, which is Tuesday. When you get here, it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to take 5-ish minutes or so. The teacher in the room will start the clock because you're going to be going through this with them. And for 5 minutes, you're going to study Quizlet for our test, which is coming up on Thursday, but it might have it on Friday. After you're done studying the Quizlet, all you got to do is tap on that link. You're going to take out your Venn diagram from yesterday and just go through and make sure you have the correct powers in the correct areas for the powers of government and the concurrent powers in the middle. Once you have that done, you're going to take a picture of your Venn diagram with your iPad, since this is done on paper, and then you're going to submit that to the assignment called Civics and Government Federalism Venn Diagram. You're going to have a couple minutes to get that task done as well. Once you're done with that, you're going to move on to our second learning target, which is I can explain basic rights of citizens of the United States of America under the Bill of Rights. That's our learning target for today. And that's where that vocab word amendment comes in. So what you're going to do is on the other side of your Venn diagram sheet, you will find this document, which is the 10 Bill of Rights. So you're going to do a quick draw as you go through. There's a video and there's some slides to help you illustrate on here. And then what it might look like when you're finished as a final product, it looks like this. Now, quick draws are just 2 minutes or less. Gives you the opportunity to process through and think, what do I feel needs to be in my drawing? So you're going to watch this video as a class, and then when you're done with it, you can start working with your group or with your table partner if you want. So what we're doing is we're interpreting. Interpret means to explain the meaning of. And we're explaining the meaning of, from what you feel, of what you just learned about the Bill of Rights, what you feel would be the meaning of those Bill of Rights. If you need to do more research, feel free to Google. That's the wonderful thing about the iPads, is it allows us to literally have information at our fingertips. So the rest of the slideshow just goes through each of the Bill of Rights, all 10 amendments. And it has some images there to help you work your way through. Work together. There's no wrong answer at this point. It's just an opportunity for you to be introduced to the amendments and do a little bit more research if you feel the need. Once you're done with all 10, you have images in all of these boxes. You're going to take a picture of it, and there's an assignment called Government or Civics and Government Bill of Rights, and then you're going to submit it to that. On this following slide here, there are live links to 3 games. You check your understanding. You just tap on the link. It'll bring you to a booklet, a Kahoot, or a Quizzes, and those will be about the Bill of Rights to help us play some games, have a little bit of fun, and they're all self-paced ones that you can work on. If you finish those and still have time, you can go to self-service, and there's an app called Do I Have a Right? And it looks like this is the icon. And you can start playing with that app a little bit and working your way through that as well. So again, all of this information can be found in Canvas under today, which is Tuesday. Right here it says Learning Target Bill of Rights, and you have the link. All right, good luck. Bye-bye.